What is going on, everyone? Aaron here from Turbo Details. Welcome back to another video. Today's Wednesday upload is going to be a vlog. We have 3 cars for you in this vlog. So today is Saturday and we're working on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Donovan is getting the initial pressure wash. We had just finished the wheels, as you can see here. So we'll get you some interior before shots, get you a little bit of vacuuming, carpet cleaning action, and then some after shots. And then you'll see us again back on Monday for our next 2 vehicles. So enjoy the video. Okay, we have Donovan giving a nice hand wash on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're using the Malco's Premium Wash and Wax with this. And you know, we love this stuff. So it's gonna give a nice high gloss shine. Alright guys, taking a look at the trunk. Donovan just finished vacuuming here. So we have just finished the trunk. I fit the door panels, as well as all the door jambs. Say hi, Don. Hey. It is like 90 degrees out. We got the dash all done. Looking very sharp. Got to vacuum the driver's seat. The exterior looks very nice. We're going to throw a spray wax on it from Malco again, but that's the tires looking good. We'll get back to you when we're starting to extract. Taking our P&S carpet bomber, coating the whole seat. Extract our Bissell Spot Clean Pro. Rick. Alrighty, day 2. We've got an exterior wash and wax on a Range Rover, and then a maintenance wash today on a pimped out Jeep Wrangler. So it's currently 6:51 in the morning, and we actually don't see any of the cars. We rang the doorbell once, they didn't answer, so we're gonna try again, and hopefully your next clip here will be a walk around of the exterior of both of those vehicles. So hey guys, we'll give you some nice exterior shots of both of these vehicles, starting off with the Range Rover. We're gonna be waxing the Range Rover and then just a maintenance wash on the Wrangler. But hope you guys enjoy this this part of the video. It's gonna be pretty satisfying. Alrighty guys, taking a look at this Range Rover. Looks like there's just some dust on the sills of it, the windows. We got a little bit in the paint, as you can kind of see from that angle, but some nice red calipers in there, nice Wheels are a little bit dirty on the rims, not too bad. Splash from dirt, obviously. Got really nice body to it, for sure. Mirrors definitely could use a cleanup, but yeah, let's jump over here. We got the Jeep Wrangler all pimped out. These are, Donovan, how tall do you think these tires are?
These gotta be like at least 26s.
Holy cow. Yeah, this size comparison to my hand is basically insane. We got a lot of nice stuff on this vehicle. We got a nice bright light here, wench there. So yeah, this vehicle's paint very dirty. Here, let's get out of the shadow here for you. See that? Yeah, that's on the hood. But we got a lot of upgrades to it. I like it. I like it a lot. Same thing with, as you can see, got a lot of stuff. And then one of the coolest parts to me, besides this wheel back here that's very dirty, we're gonna get all prettied up. This wheel, back wheel, has a light around it, so it's very nice as well. Alright, let's get a bucket filled. 3, 2, 1. On the Range Rover now, got the whole thing foamed up. Sorry we didn't show you guys, but I'm... You get the roof? Alright, Alright, and I am just giving it a nice bath here. Let me switch hands. Sorry it's a little shaky. Now we didn't ceramic coat this paint, but we believe it is. If you look at the beading, see that? So we think this was ceramic coated. We don't really have a paint gauge, so we can't exactly tell for sure. I'm gonna grab the roof here really quick. Now. This stuff's from Malco's. It's called Showroom Shine. Buy it. There's going to be a product link in the description, if I remember. This stuff is like incredible. Last panel of the car, so I'll give you guys a view once the whole panel's done. Once the whole car is done. While he's finishing up the bottom there. Optimum. No. Alrighty guys, second job of the day, all finished up. So yeah, that's a day in the life of a detailer, I guess. Next Wednesday we'll be back at it again with a nice extraction for you, and we'll have an extraction compilation in the future. So thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. It really helps us and puts us on the YouTube algorithm if you give us a like and comment. So thanks again. If you made it this far in the video, comment.
Post notifications.
Post notifications. Make everyone wonder why you're commenting. Post notifications. Signing off, Turbo Details. I'm Aaron.
I'm Donovan.